In this video, we're going to have a look at the Google Analytics Audience Reporting tool. So to get to our audience reports from our admin page, we need to click on Reporting. So let's click on our Reporting tab at the top of our screen. And we're already on our audience. In the left-hand pane of our screen, we can see there's dashboards, shortcuts, intelligence events, real-time clock. We're looking for audience. There's our audience right there. And if we scroll down, we can see some of the different reports that we can get to. So there's general overview. If we click on our active users, by default it's set to 1-day active users. Now we can uncheck that and let's have a look at our 30-day active users. Or we can compare our 30-day to our 7-day and it'll show both. So we can look at our active user list, and down here we have a little bit more information. Now we could also go by demographics, interests. Geographical location is nice. Demographics you can choose by, you could do an overview or go by age or gender. For geography you can go by language or location. So if we click on language and we scroll down, we can see what most browser languages are in. So it looks like Russia and another Russian one there, and we have English US and we have English. So English and Russian tends to be most of our visitors. If we click on our location, we'll see if that corresponds. We can see here, yes, there's a high concentration of sessions that come out of Russia, 187. If we mouse over Canada, there's 6. Down to the United States, there's 33. So we can look at our geographic location and languages that users that are visiting our website are using. We can also look at behavior, new versus returning, frequency of recency, engagement. We can also look at technology being used. So if we wanted to look at what browsers people are using to surf our website, we can scroll down and see what our users' browsers are. So we can see a high concentration of Chrome users, and then Firefox, Yahoo browser, Opera, and Internet Explorer way down in 6th place. And we can also look at what networks they're on. So if there's a higher concentration of visitors from a specific internet network, then we can see that here in our report. So that's how you can use the audience report to look at different features and analyze data about your audience and who's visiting your web page. And you can use this information to help drive your business. So for example, we have a high concentration of Google Chrome users. Well, how does our web page look in Chrome? And if we have an issue with our web page not acting properly in Chrome, like maybe certain pages aren't opening, but we have a high concentration of Chrome web users, then obviously we're going to want to put some effort into fixing those bugs that are in our web page. Also, if we have a high concentration of Russian language speaking individuals, then we'll want to make sure that the page translates appropriately into Russian. So that's how you can use the Google Analytics Audience Reporting tool to gather information about your business.